Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about ArgoCD CLI options. So you can go and install the ArgoCD command line and on your system, and then you will be connecting it remotely. How will you connect it? You'll get the endpoint URL. If you are connecting it from the cluster only, get the endpoint URL. Okay, for your ArgoCD API server, and that is your Argo CD server. Okay, this is the endpoint URL. You just need to type the command Argo CD login, and this thing it will prompt you for the username and password. Give the username and the password which you were giving in UI, and once you are able to log in, you will be able to connect it. Now, how will you use to create an app using Argo CD CLI? So for that reason, you can use this thing. Okay, Argo CD app create command. This is the name of the app. By default, it will go and create the application in the Argo CD namespace only. This is the repo URL. This is the path, branch, destination namespace, destination server, project name, and sync policy. If I go and try to create it, see, I'll go and paste this thing, and then in the UI, if I show you, it will be creating the app here. See, this is the app, it is creating it out. Once the app is created, you can run the command argo cd app list. It will show you that application is created here. Okay, once it's done, then you will be able to see that okay, it is synced. Currently it is showing you that okay, it is synced. So once it's deployed, you will be able to see that okay, completely provisioned. So you can go and see the pods. Okay, once the pod is deployed, you will be able to see that okay, it is sync is completed. Just wait for a minute, let it finish it out. Now you can see that okay, sync is completed, sync is okay. If I go and show you here also, Argo CD app list will also show you. You can use the kubectl command as well, get applications -n Argo CD. If you do it, that also will show you the output. Okay, this is, you can use kubectl describe command also, describe application nginx -n Argo CD. That will also show you that how it is working. So here you can see all the event section and everything. Okay, the deletion thing is argo cd app delete command. Okay, -n the name of the application, that is nginx. It will ask you, you can go and delete it. Same way you can go and delete it from the UI as well. The other app I will just show you. This is another app which I deployed it. I can go and click on the delete, and it will ask you, or you want to delete the project, give the project name. This is the project name, you will type it here and delete it. Okay, so this is the way from the UI also you can delete it. So in this session we have seen how you can go and use the argo cd command line. If I have created the YAML file as well using kubectl create command, you can go and do the way you create the pod and deployment, same way you can create the application as well using the kubectl command as well. So this is the session all about. Till now, we were using Git as a repo. Next session, we will discuss how I can map a Helm repository. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for the joining the session.